guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. I cannot wait to share this video with you because this, and it's not a clickbait, is going to change your makeup game, especially when your makeup is creasing, it's on top of your skin, you're almost ashamed of wearing that much makeup. I feel you, and you still want to wear a full glam, but somehow, sometimes it just doesn't work, especially if you use powders and creams. Girl, I got your back, okay? Enjoy watching. This video, and this is not a clickbait, is going to be game changing when it comes to your base. So I tried this technique the other day, and I've been trying a lot of techniques, so I'm like, yeah, whatever, we've seen so many. But my base looked unreal. I felt so confident the whole day. Like, even though I was wearing a full face, I didn't feel like I was wearing a full face. I have to admit, like, wearing a full face, like a really nice glam look, can make me feel confident, but at the same time, I do feel that I'm wearing a lot of makeup. Sometimes when someone gets too close, it gets a little bit uncomfortable because I can just feel that it's more like on top of my skin, even though I think it looks good. Obviously it's makeup and we're just going to see that you're wearing makeup, nothing wrong with that. But if there's a way to kind of like have a Facetune in real life makeup thing going on, then I would like to know that, and I'm going to share it today with you. First, I'm going to start with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Primer. And this is not so much about what products you use, but more like how you use the products. So I'm applying this all over my face to get a nice glow and like a filter effect. So I'm just using my fingers to apply this. And this is really the trick. Don't apply too much foundation because your skin is going to look unreal. Everything you put after the foundation is going to look like your skin instead of on top of your skin. Before you're all going to comment, well, you already have nice skin, so what do I do if I have acne? Girl, I got your back because your girl has had problematic skin for a very long time. And then I have good skin, problematic skin, good skin, problematic skin. Grab a full coverage concealer, but use the tiniest amount. You just need to dab it on the imperfections until your face looks clean. Now I have pretty clear skin. Knock on wood. I'm going in with the Givenchy Everwear foundation. This is in shade 325. And all I'm going to use is this much. Okay, trust me with this. You don't need to use that much. We're going in with concealer and powder later on, so you will get a little bit coverage of that as well. But first of all, maybe this is even like, this is enough. So this is my BH Cosmetics brush. Just grab a buffing brush to really make sure that the foundation is not on top of your skin. I know you will all experience this feeling. You just want to go in and grab a little bit more just because it's nice and glowy and you just want the full coverage effect. But trust me, because you're going to use concealer anyways, so you will get that coverage. And especially if your skin looks nice, you don't really need a lot of coverage. I'm going to use a Transfix Matte Concealer from Natasha Denona. This is in shade Neutral Yellow. This is pretty matte and this is pretty light too. So while I'm covering my dark circles, I'm also going to use it as a highlighter. I forgot corrector. I'm quickly going to use a little bit of this corrector as well. Okay, I'm using the same buffing brush to blend this. And then for this part, I'm going in with my fingers. I'm also going to use the same concealer to highlight my chin, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. I'm going to cream contour my face, but I'm not going to use too much. So don't use, usually I know. I go in pretty heavy, but today I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use the Flawless Contouring Palette from Laura Mercier and my Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush in 07. Circular motions, I'm just going to try to define my cheekbone, jawline, and chin. Now I'm grabbing my Dark Deep Bronzer from MAC. This is a very lovely brush. This is a powder brush from Nabla, and I'm taking my Dark Deep Bronzer from MAC. And I'm just going to set the places where we've contoured, but also bronze my face. I'm taking my Too Faced Peach Blur Powder and I'm going to set my under eye area. After that, this is very important as well, I am going to bake. Usually I'm not a fan of baking at all because I think it looks so makeup-ish and my under eye area creases so bad. But if you powder it first with a very light powder, such as like Peach Blur or Charlotte Tilbury, or I don't know, like a very thin fine powder and then you bake. I use my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. This is in the shade Pound Cake. And this puff from Givenchy. I'm just going to bake with this. And this is so funny to me because I am like, not really anti, but like, oh my God, the smell. I am not like a huge fan of powder. I'm not a huge fan of baking. And now I'm like baking and powdering my face. So the weird thing is this looks so like too much. But trust me, at the end, you won't see anything on your face. I'm also baking the places where we've put concealer to highlight our face. Like right there. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the baking right here. Just like that. Chin. I'm quickly going to do my brows. I'm not going to touch my under eye area. I'm just going to leave it like this. And I'll be right back. I did my brows, but I also applied a little bit of this bronzer from MAC. This is in the shade Dark Deep on my eyeballs together with this Givenchy Healthy Glow Powder. A little bit on the eyelids, you see that? And I also did the lips because I thought, you know, this tutorial is about the base. All about the base, about the base. On my lips, so we have Cold Brew lip liner from NYX Cosmetics, Joyride lipstick from Huda Beauty, MAC lipstick, Influentially It, the powder one, Powder Kiss lipstick, I think that's what it's called. And then on top of that, I've used the new Natasha Denona metallic lip topper, which was in my hand right here. Yeah, Natasha Denona Marker Liquid Lips, and this is Nude Metallica. I really like it. Now I'm going to take this powder brush from Nabla Cosmetics and I'm going to get rid of the baking. Usually when I use concealer and bake immediately after I've applied the concealer, it's just going to look so extremely cakey, and I never really understood why it didn't look cakey on everyone else on YouTube. I was like, I don't get it. I don't get it. I really didn't get it. So I feel like you can really prevent your concealer from creasing if you just go in with powder first and then you go in with a baking powder. I'm grabbing this beautiful glow powder from Givenchy and I'm just going to put that all over my face to get like a beautiful all over glow, or else this makeup look is going to look really matte. You guys know I love a good glow. Da, 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 I'm loving it. I'm going to use this beautiful highlighter. This is from the Bronze and Glow palette from Natasha Denona. Just got this yesterday, so let's see. Oh, Natasha Denona is just like, it's the most beautiful makeup out there. Every time I get a package from Natasha Denona, I just get really excited, just like how it was in the beginning. I just get super excited and I still feel so grateful and honored that I'm on their PR list. I'm just like, okay, I'm also going to use this Sisley blush, L'Orchidée blush. You guys know I have to like act awkward when I'm pronouncing French words. I think my lips look way too cool for this beautiful warm makeup. Meh. Oh, why does everything look so weird with... If you have a fake tan, everything on your lips is going to look so like... I'm not liking it. I'm really not liking it. I think this is a very lovely color. This is Dose of Colors on repeat. Let's do a little bit of lip liner first. Update. Still haven't bought a new chair. I love it when you call me, sing your anthem. First time I'm using this color. Oh. I'm going to use the same bronzer on my lower lash line just so we have something going on, you know? Even my husband said, oh my God, what did you do differently? Because your face looks bomb. Thank you. So this is almost finished, but this is my favorite skin mist at the moment. Rose Gold Skin Mist from Versailles. I'm also going to apply a little bit of this Slim Cream eyeliner from Jouer. This is in the shade Brown. Quickly highlighting my inner corners with the Givenchy Glow powder. So obviously this is not like the full glam version, right? Like we can go in heavier with the contour, we can go in heavier with the blush or with the highlighter, but still like doing your base in this way is just going to give you that beautiful, flawless, smooth effect. It looks face tuned. It's not on top of my skin. It's more like, is she wearing makeup? And then she's like, oh, no, she isn't. Oh, She's probably a model. Oh, like her skin looks so beautiful. Nothing is creasing. Nothing is on top of my skin. My pores look minimized. And it's different than a glass skin because with a glass skin, I feel like you can't really use a lot of powder because you really want to have that radiant, beautiful glow. Sometimes like when you hug someone and the person is wearing something white, you know, we need some powder in our lives. I'm going to zoom you in just so you can see how beautiful this base looks. So there you go. This has been my secret for 3 days and I'm already sharing it with you because that's how I am. Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please give it a try and please let me know what you think of this, you know, different way of doing your base. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Leave me a comment, a thumbs up if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.